Are you ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Today, we're diving into a selection of innovative survival and camping gadgets, all under $99, available on Amazon. These incredible tools are designed to not only enhance your outdoor experience, but also ensure you're well prepared for any challenge nature may present. Join us as we explore these game changers that promise to elevate your outdoor escapades. Advanced Elements Summer Shower. This 3.5-gallon solar shower is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. With 4-layer construction, it efficiently heats water for refreshing showers in the wilderness. It's a must-have for those seeking a touch of luxury during their outdoor adventures. The Nomad Kitchen. This compact car kitchen is a culinary marvel for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. It's equipped with essential features like a wash basin, cutting board, drying rack, and stove drawer, ensuring you have everything you need for preparing delicious meals in the great outdoors. Gazelle Portable Gazebo G6. This 6-sided, 90-skit shelter is a versatile addition to your camping gear. With durable construction and Tri-Tech mesh, it provides excellent bug protection, creating a comfortable and safe space for relaxation and socializing in the wilderness. Mega Master Propane Gas Grill. This tabletop grill packs a punch with 360s of cooking space. It offers instant ignition for quick and easy grilling sessions. Its portability makes it a convenient choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who appreciate powerful performance on the go. Clear Source Nomad Water Filter. This water filter utilizes NASA-derived technology to provide clean and safe drinking water from any source during outdoor adventures. It's a reliable companion for ensuring hydration without compromising on water quality, making it an essential tool for survival in the wild. Anchor Ever-Powered Cooler. This ice-free cooler is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. With a large battery capacity, it can keep items cold for up to an impressive 42 hours. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank for your devices, ensuring you stay connected even in remote locations. Enter QN750 Portable Air Conditioner. Beat the heat with this portable air conditioner that can cool down temperatures in just 5 minutes. Its versatility makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use during scorching hot days, providing comfort and relief in challenging weather conditions. Sci Floating Cooler. This versatile floating cooler and dry storage container is a must-have for water and land activities. It keeps your drinks and gear afloat, ensuring they're always within reach. Its practical design makes it a valuable addition to any water-based adventure. Prowler Tankula. This portable hunting enclosure is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking camouflage and comfort. With easy setup and 360 degrees visibility for up to 3 people, it provides a secure and comfortable vantage point for hunting excursions. Rambler Tumbler. This tumbler is an essential companion for keeping beverages cold during outdoor adventures. With double-wall vacuum insulation and durable, BPA-free materials, it ensures your drinks stay refreshingly cold, even in warm conditions. King CampCon Palace Tent. This spacious and durable tent is designed for gatherings or parties, accommodating over 12 people simultaneously. It's equipped with features like stove compatibility and multiple viewing windows, ensuring the comfortable and enjoyable camping experience for larger groups. These survival and camping gadgets are meticulously designed to enhance your outdoor experiences, providing convenience, safety, and efficiency in various wilderness scenarios. Whether you're seeking comfort, culinary prowess, or protection, these products are meticulously crafted to elevate your camping adventure. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.